Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how I created this beret. Go check out my other video to see how I created a beret pattern. My beret diameter is 32 centimeters. Now I'm cutting 2 circle pattern pieces out of this thick scoop fabric. After I have cut these 2 circles out of this fabric, I'm cutting one of the circles, I'm cutting the middle piece out and I'm leaving 1 centimeter for the seam allowance. Now I'm marking beret center for the beret loop and pinning both pattern pieces together, and I will be sewing all around the edge. I am using overlocking machine to sew these 2 pattern pieces together. After I sewed beret outside seam, now I'm gonna sew inside beret seam. After I sewed inside seam, I'm gonna sew a top stitch on the inside edge. I'm folding overlocked seam inside and I'm sewing the top stitch on top. After I sewed all main seams on a beret, I am sewing now the little loop for the beret center. The little loop is approximately 2 by 5 centimeters. I sewed it and turned it to the right side and folded it in half and sewed it. Now I'm cutting a little tiny hole and pulling that loop inside and sewing it on the left side to secure on the beret center. And sewing a seam to secure that loop on the beret. Like that. And now I'm pinning all the seams flat on a beret. And last thing what I have to do is to iron my beret. And here's my finished beret. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.